How to use ChatGPT on mobile. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use ChatGPT on mobile. So head over to your respective app store and on the web address and on the search bar type in ChatGPT and install the app. Once you're done installing the app, click on the open button. If you don't have an account, you could simply go ahead and create one. So I'm going to show you how you could create an account. So this is going to be the sign up interface. So you could either go ahead and sign up or continue with Google. So for this case, I'm just going to go with the Google sign up, Google itself. So select the sign up button and you just want to go ahead and make sure to follow the option prompt and you'll have successfully signed up. Now you have these Ask ChatGPT and at the top you have create image, surprise me, help me write, analyze data. You could select any of these prompt and accordingly you want to go ahead and type in the prompt, and that's how you'll be able to use ChatGPT on mobile. You could also explore other options that's available on ChatGPT. And with that, we have come to an end. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.